guys, this is a very beautiful view, middle of the ocean, and this is a metro station actually, and this metro station is called Sicily, and I will let you know its exact name, the metro station name, but you will see the view. It's so nice. Okay, we're gonna show you. In this point you can check, you can visit, you can see the Galata Tower over there, and I'm gonna show you a clear view. And when I move to the further, so you can see a lot of famous mosques, places from this view. This is another mosque. There are two mosques on the top of the, and one is our behind this one. This is also very famous. I don't know exactly its name, but we'll see. Here's the train is coming. This is so beautiful view, and this is very windy over here. Someone again come here, so he should have proper clothing for the wind and for the cold, because it's above the sea, so it's gonna be cold. Another metro is going on. This is a very famous mosque actually. I will caption the name of the mosque. You can see a plenty of mosques over here, and maybe one of them is Hagia Sophia is in the frame, and that is very far. That is electrifying tower. That is Istanbul's tower, and it's very tall and it's very famous. And you can see different views our ocean from there. Okay, here is the Galata Tower exact view. You can see in the view. In Istanbul, must visit this place. This is so beautiful. Okay, it's a sunset, so